Hello, everyone. Good morning. Thank you for joining us. I'm Steve.
And I'm Scott.
Together, we are Backyard Musings, broadcasting live Apple Valley, California.
And we've got a great one for you today, and we are the Science and Technology Channel.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Through genetic analysis and mouse model experiments, we love mice,
We like
right?
the mice,
yes. Researchers showed that higher vitamin B12 levels can significantly reduce the severity of this often deadly condition. Acute pancreatitis is a serious gastrointestinal condition that affects people of all ages and is a leading cause of hospital admissions worldwide. Again, around 1 in 5, just like osteoarthritis. I wonder if it's the same people that have it.
I don't know. Hope not.
Around 1 in 5 patients develop moderate to severe forms of disease, which are linked to high rates of death and long-term disability. Even those who survive often face lasting complications that significantly reduce their quality of life. Despite its impact, there is still no clear consensus on the best way to treat acute pancreatitis. In particular, there is an urgent need for medications that can prevent early damage to the pancreas. Would you like to know more?
These results were published in the MedCom on October 15th, 2024. To address this, a research team led by Dr. Xuanwen Fan from West China Fourth Hospital at Sichuan University. Sichuan?
Yeah, that's a famous dish.
Sichuan?
Sichuan cooking.
Oh, okay. University and Linköping University in Sweden. Probably butchered that one.
Wow, that's traveling right there.
Yeah. That's some collaboration, right?
Yeah.
Collected a study under the supervision of Professor Dr. Zhangming Mo at Sichuan University's West China Hospital. Their goal was to explore whether vitamin B12 could help prevent or reduce the severity of acute pancreatitis by using both human genetic data and animal models. And again, we love the mice. We thank you for your service.
Yes, we do.
I don't know where we'd be without
Save a beagle. Use a mouse.
The lab mice. Yeah.
The researchers began by analyzing large-scale genome-wide association studies. So I wonder, that's AI then, again, to identify genetic links to pancreatitis. They then used Mendelian randomization, a method, just way over my head, a method that leverages genetic variation to study the effects of specific nutrients, to examine whether one carbon metabolism nutrients were connected to pancreatitis risk. Their results showed a strong association between higher blood levels of vitamin B12 and a lower risk of developing several forms of pancreatitis.
Okay, so B12 is okay then? I know you can give B12 to plants, right? Boost them when you put them in the ground and stuff. So interesting. Next, the team determined whether vitamin B12 displayed protective and potential therapeutic effects using experimental models of pancreatitis in CD320 knockout mice.
Whoa, that's a special breed, huh?
I guess so. Which lack a key gene responsible for vitamin B12 absorption. Two distinct models of pancreatitis were used in the study, one to observe early pancreatic injury responses and the other to track the pathological progression of acute pancreatitis.
The results revealed that vitamin B12 directly protects acinar cells, ACINAR,
Acinar?
Yeah, from necrosis during the early stages of acute pancreatitis and subsequently reduces T lymphocyte infiltration. Notably, artificially increasing serum B12 levels before and after the induction of pancreatitis not only reduced the severity of the condition, but also promoted tissue repair after pancreatic injury.
Okay, so that sounds pretty good. Interestingly, despite vitamin B12's known role in the one-carbon metabolism pathway, its protective effects in pancreatitis were not mediated through the reduction of homocysteine or the glutathione pathways, GSH, whatever that is. Must be the
abbreviation.
I'd rather use GSH. As was previously hypothesized. Instead, vitamin B12 was found to enhance ATP production in pancreatic tissue, thereby reducing acinar cell neurosis and preventing disease progression. ATP supplementation in CD320 deficient mice also alleviated pancreatic damage. That's pretty good, I guess. Anytime
Yeah.
you alleviate something.
Yeah.
Further supporting the hypothesis that vitamin B12's protective effects result from improved cellular energy supply rather than oxidative stress regulation.
I think I'm going to add this to all the supplements. I take a bunch of supplements.
Going to put it in your cereal?
I don't know about that. I take a bunch of pills. Yeah. Quote.
B12 you're talking about? You're going to take B12.
B12, yeah.
How do you know how much to take, though?
Probably, I got dosages.
Oh, okay.
200 milligrams, 100, whatever.
Okay. Don't
put them in the pills.
Don't over-supplement.
No. I would never do that to you.
Okay.
Quote, these exciting new findings add to the growing evidence that vitamin B12 can reduce the severity of acute pancreatitis by increasing ATP levels in pancreatic tissue, offering novel insights into potential therapeutic strategies for this disease. This study lays a robust foundation for future clinical applications of vitamin B12 in managing acute pancreatitis, said Professor Mo.
Okay.
The one from Sichuan.
Okay, well, we had some interesting players in this one and interesting places, but sounds like pretty good outcome.
I'm going to give it a try. It does the pancreas, does that control breakdown? Like, it's not your gallbladder, right?
That's your insulin levels, right?
Insulin.
Yeah.
Oh,
so like
yeah.
if you're type 1 or type 2 diabetic, right? Is that right?
You want to have
pancreas?
Functioning pancreas.
Right. Or is that pituitary? Pancreas or pituitary?
No, pituitary controls the growth.
Oh, okay.
Stunts controls.
So,
okay.
So pancreas, yeah.
If you have a pancreas, leave a comment in the comments. Okay.
If you have an issue with your pancreas, or you've ever suffered from pancreatitis. I know somebody that suffered from cancer of the pancreas, and it was not. Well, that's what happened to Swayze too, right? Patrick Swayze.
He wasted away.
He had
Margaritaville.
He had pancreatic cancer, I think. So it's tough. So yeah, whatever they can do to cure that or help with that, that's just a good thing.
Yeah.
Good thing. So
all right. So thanks for joining us, folks. We'll catch you in the afternoon.
Take care, everyone. Thank you.